Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can pixelate the face only easily on CapCut PC. So you do have to use the body effects for this instead of the video effects. I'm just going to scroll down here and I'm going to select the mask button. And here you'll be able to see the face mosaic. They have these two to cover your face, but this one's the one without the Pro feature. Select it, grab it, and place it in your video like so. Here in effects, you can just adjust the range of the face mosaic, and you can also adjust the size of the pixels as well here. And that is it. Super simple, and it's just going to follow the face without you having to track it or keyframe it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!